Hey! Hey! Anaya, are you ready? Yes, Mom. Alright, I'm gonna be down there in 1 second. 1. Mom, you not down here. Cause I said 1 second. 1 second is 1 dot. Like you on the paper. Like you just put 1 dot on the paper. It don't matter if it's a hole in it or anything. And it don't matter if I come down there in 45 hours. Oh my God, man. Parents always finding a reason to make sense. Bro. Alright. Cameron, it's time for me to play with Callie. Okay? You've been slobbing on my arm. Now I have to get freaking dressed again. Oh my God, you are so heavy, girl. Oh, you're so cute. And I have to play with the other baby. Of course I do. You're so cute. I love you so much. I love you so much. Girl, did you change your shirt? Mom, if you know, why would I be down here with go to a hair salon with a disgusting shirt that a baby spit all over me? Girl, okay, you don't have to talk to me like that. Like, girl, it's not giving it. Damn, it's not giving it. What you said? Nothing. Mom's so annoying. I heard you said something about moms. I said moms are perfect. Sometimes. Now I gotta play with the third baby. Oh my God, you're so cute. Look at her playing with her toys. And my mom gotta call me each second. They not even watching the TV, man. I guess they just minding their business. They just minding their business. Aw, she's so cute. Anaya. Yes? Oh, Mom, you look beautiful. Thank you. But okay, let's go now. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. Daddy's here. I gotta go, okay? Love you. And see you. I just gotta feed you a little bit. You're so cute. Alright, now I just have to go to the other baby. You have to eat it. Okay, she's eating it. Alright, I'm gonna be gone, guys. So, see y'all, okay? Mom, is the car here? Yes, girl. Can you not see that? Are you blind? Just kidding. Alright, come on, man. Come on. Cause you just playing too much right now. Like, you play too much. I guess, okay, Mom. This is fun. This look cool, but at the same time, sis, no. This look ratchet. You the one that wants to be talking smack, but has a messy hair. You too, I don't even like your hair at all. Oh, baby girl. You see this? You see me? Actually, I don't really like it either. Look how stiff it is. This girl probably put Gorilla Glue on it. I went to a different hair salon. It was cute and all of that, but it was a dark one. But you need to get that hair done because you want to talk all this, but look at your hair. Look at your hair. Y'all comment down below if this girl hair crazy. Let's get back to the skit. But anyways, girl, you want to talk all that smack, but you got your hair look disgusting. This why I took you here. Because they would be like, girl, you disgusting. Well, they're going to be talking about me, basically. Actually, Mom, they're going to be talking about me. But at the same time, they're going to be kind of talking about you. Because they're going to be saying, girl, you haven't washed her hair. And first of all, my auntie works here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, she works here. So, if you want, I'm going to tell auntie all of our business. Well, yours, not mine. Because I don't have one like my disgusting mother. So, yeah, I'm going to tell her all the business. You haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks. Oh, no, 1 month. But I did, but she wouldn't let me. You really don't let me for some reason. But I'm going to tell auntie all of our business. So, okay. I'm going to get my hair washed by auntie. And, yeah, bye. You could go in the car. So, auntie, what have you been doing lately? Nothing. Your auntie been working and working. I swear, she been working hard as she can, girl. I would have told you, like, I been working. I been getting this bag. Oh, and I heard you was saying that she was going to tell me all your mama business. So what's the business? Oh, so I will tell you. Hold on, girl. Your hair's so nappy, girl. Oh, my God. Your hair's so nappy. Auntie, that's your sister. She been really, like, not washing my hair and stuff. So, you better get your sister, because she about to get the 3000 Max Trucks Deluxe. Hold on, girl. You need to slow it down. Oh, and we have the same shirt. I just realized it. And the same pants. Oh, my God. But different hair. So, I'm going to make your hair like mine. Nah, I think I just want, like, 2 cornrows and stuff. 2 feeties. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm going to get 2 feeties. Is you done wash it? Because that was pretty long time. Hold on, but hold on. Alright, now we done. Okay. Y'all, comment down below if y'all ever went to y'all auntie's hair salon, because she is so ratchet. Did y'all hear her, how she was talking to me? And we had the same outfit on. That sounds embarrassing for me. It sounds embarrassing. But my hair, she didn't even take my hair out of the bun. My hair gonna be tangled. Oh my God. My hair gonna be tangled. I hate this. I hate these moments. I hate these moments. I hate it. But comment down below if you ever went to your auntie's hair salon and she been this ratchet. Like, the attitude says gotta go the way. But get back to the skit. So, auntie, I want to tell you a little bit of something about my mama. Go ahead, Bug. Can you stop calling me Bug? Because I'm not one of those little girls that has a ladybug headband on my head. I'm like 12, 13. I'm I'm old now. Come on now. I'm 9. Okay? I'm about to turn 10 next year. Please, just let me rest. And stop calling me Bug. You've been calling me Bug for like 9.5 years. No, 9.5 years, Mo. Stop calling me that. I'm not your Bug. The only person that could call me that is my mama. But I don't really like Bug. And I also tell her she can't call me Bug. So if I tell my mama not to call me Bug, what make you want to call me Bug? See, I'm not going to tell you anyway. I'm not going to tell you. I'm only going to tell you that she went out on a date. Oh, psych out loud. I gotcha. But she stole your credit cards and stuff. You so funny. You so funny, girl. I'm not laughing. And you always do this. You always think I'm joking, but she really stole your credit card. It's funny right now because it is funny because I know you about to be running out the store, but you gotta do my braids first. Cause I'm about to got you on videotape. I'm about to got you in 4K. I'm about to pass out. And she bought Gucci and Louis Vuitton. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious right now? You is just... I'm about to pass out after I do your braids. And done. Stop messing out. Just here. I'm about to leave, auntie. I am about to leave. Come on, Mom. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Starting, y'all. Y'all, so when it was a struggle. I couldn't do the walking and stuff and the talking. Because every time when I join into stuff, I don't see the walking or the talking stuff, but sometimes I do in the restaurants and stuff. But like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm about to swim in this water. If y'all want to see me swim in this water, hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell at all times. Hopefully you like and subscribe and hit that bell. Having all this energy is for you and you and you and you. So, y'all gonna see me in the pool. Peace. Just swimming. I know how to swim, y'all. Don't be making fun of me. Yeah, I got my swimming suit on. My auntie got a famous shop. She got a pool and everything. Da, 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 da. Yep. Yep. But bye, y'all. See y'all. My mom holding the camera, going everywhere. My mom just holding the camera and stuff. You feel me? She's swimming the. Like and subscribe.